Hi, welcome to our FitBook demonstration for Milestone 3, and this is our technical demonstration of all the features. We have implemented all of the features and we added CSS to them to make it a lot more prettier than it was in Milestone 2. So we're going to go through the features one more time and we're going to start off with the authentication process. So let's say as a new user, I'll go start with register first, and I actually have to register with my NUS email. If I were to try use my personal email, for example, I won't be able to proceed as this warning says. I need to use your NUS email. So let's go ahead and do that. Sorry. So let's click verify email, and let's wait for the OTP. Okay, there we go. So let's put OTP here and put our password. Okay, so now we're registered and it redirects us to the login page. And let's proceed to login. Okay, so now we are in the main page, which has a nav bar which shows all the features that we implemented. And we're actually going to start off with booking, which is our main feature. But if you click it, it says that we actually not completed a profile because this is the first time we're actually registering it, and we have not registered on the Telegram bot as well. So what it does is it redirects us to the profile page, or you can go to the profile page by your own. And you see that name is not set, your room number is not set, your spotter name and spotter room number is also not set. So let's go ahead and fill in all the details. And if we actually try to put in a number that is not the format, like this, it actually does not allow us, it tells us to put it in this format. So let's go ahead and conform to that. And there you go. Okay, so let's go proceed to our booking. And what it does is shows the next 14 dates from the current one. And let's go ahead and click maybe on the 23rd. And let's book these 3 slots back to back. And we're only able to book 1.5 hours per day. So if you try to book more, it says you have booked the maximum number of slots, and this is to actually restrict users from monopolizing the slots for the day. Okay, so once we're done with that, we're actually going to go ahead and view our bookings, and it shows the 3 slots that we just booked. So how do we unbook? It's as simple as just clicking any of the slots, and it says slot is unbooked. So let's go ahead and unbook them, and we go back to the date. Oh, it only shows us this is booked. Okay, so moving on to the next feature, which is the reports feature. What it does is simply allows us to actually put in text reports. So we just put in a text feedback then, and actually put photo here. But for this milestone, we aren't able to get this to work without bugs. So we're going to leave this out for this milestone. So we're only able to put a text feedback. So let's go and put hello world 2 and click submit. It says enter feedback. And to actually view your reports, you just have to click view reports here. And if you scroll down, it shows, yeah, well, your hello world 2. And these are actually previous responses, just for demonstration purposes. So let's say if I want to check the responses to this report by administrators from class society, just click the report here and it says that, okay, no responses yet. So we go back. This report has actually has responses, so let's go ahead and click that. Well, it shows the responses by the administrators as these two. Okay, so for the last feature, which is our equipment system, what we do is actually display the equipment status from the gym. And what we did was actually split into weights and other equipment. So for weights, we display the count of the functioning equipment. So in this case, we display there's 1 4 kg dumbbell that's working, here there's 2. And for other equipment, we show whether or not it's usable or not functioning, and we actually attach the comments to it. So in this case, the treadmill is not functioning, the reason it's not able to turn on. Okay, so last thing is we actually want to show the profile, we actually how we're able to change the details easily. So let's say we move on to the new year and your room changes or your spotter actually changes. Well, it's easy as just changing their details in this profile. And this is synchronized with the Telegram bot as well, so you don't have to worry about changing on the Telegram bot as well. So let's go ahead and change our room. And there you go. So that's pretty much the technical demonstration of all the features. So thanks for watching, and we appreciate your support.